Welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today this is going to be a quick video on, let's start out with saying I'll take a slice of humble pie. So I was recently contacted by the grill gun company. They wanted to send it out to me just free of charge for me to go ahead and try. Then nothing like sponsorships, nothing like, hey, we'll give you so much money to feature it, or you pay for it, nothing like that. Just sent to me free, wanted me to go ahead and use it. I've seen this being used online for a lot of sous vide cooking, but this one specifically was primarily targeted towards starting your charcoal. I have a smaller, almost like a garden torch charcoal starter that I have been using for quite a while. It works pretty well. So I was not necessarily interested in a new grill gun, charcoal starter, what have you. What I have works, and it works just fine. So now this is going to start giving some humble pie here. So the grill gun, when I first got it, it did not work. Now in breakups, I would say it's you, not me, or it's me, not you. But in this case, it was truly me and not the grill gun itself. What I was doing was I was using it incorrectly and not following the procedures that came with the instructions, as well as the instructional video they sent me to go ahead and try it out. Once I contacted them with my concerns, how it wasn't working right, so on and so forth, Bob and Tim were more than gracious to let me know on suggestions and tools and tips and tricks to fix what I had was wrong with it and to use it correctly. And ever since that video and that experience and that exchange of emails, this thing has been working like a champ. Flawlessly every single time. So what I want to do now is show you the basic things that they instructed me to do differently than what I was doing. Right now, this is the grill gun itself. I've attached it to a small propane tank, and that's how I've been using it. So when I want to get it going, normally I'll keep it unconnected. And then right here is when you hear a sound release, because this is called the release valve down here. Push this down. Didn't hear anything. Okay, fine. So now, say you want to get some barbecue going, so you want to get the charcoal going. So make sure that's all the way closed. Attach this on. Now there's liquid in here, right? With the propane, you do not want to flood the system of liquid before it can ignite and start the fire down here. So what you want to do is make sure you keep this always below your torch. Connected. Okay, now it's ready to go. So all you have to do is turn this knob here and start it with the trigger, right? And that's all you got to do. Of course it doesn't work. Let's go and take this off. There you go. That's released it. So there's no more fuel, gas line, liquid in the system. Put this back on. There it goes. And obviously once you get it going, twist the knob to get the size of flame that you want. That's it. When you're done, make sure it's all the way closed. When they suggest, they can give you a stand to put this in to keep it upright. However, I like to hang it with this little hanger on my Big Green Egg freezer view. So it hangs like this. Now, I'm assuming it's probably not going to work correctly. Like that, so I normally just take off the propane and clear out the line too. And that is it. Simple, easy to use, quick. So now there is one thing that I have a concern about with this thing is it is a very, very big flame ball torch itself. If I'm doing a long cook, that's going to get a lot of charcoal ignited in my barbecue for that long cook, which could make the temperature skyrocket and spike more than I want to. If that's the case, which is my one complaint about it, but there's a counter to this. All you have to do is put the charcoal you want lit in a charcoal chimney and light it separately from the barbecue. Once that's lit, you add it. You introduce the lit charcoal, a small amount of lit charcoal, to your barbecue, and then you're good to go. That's it. No concern, no complaints, nothing else. That's it. Short video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Any questions, let me know or let them know at Grill Gun website. Put the stuff down there. Again, this is not sponsored. I'm getting nothing for doing this. This is just to say my experience with it and how I'm pleased and happy to say it works properly. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.